Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Elizabeth Vane. Gold, oil, gas, indices, currencies. I trade only fundamental assets. My AI analytics tool always knows when to enter and when to go and pour a cup of tea. Opening the bot. Strategy the Westminster. Euro-dollar, 1 hour. News first, then indicators, never the other way round. Green light, no major events, weekend work. Most indicators are pointing buy. I open the order at market price and I set my stop loss and take profit strictly by the bot's values. Professional traders never trade without stop loss and take profit, ever. Price climbs right onto the take. The Westminster, by the book. You can grab a free mini course of 3 lessons. The link to the bot is in the pinned comment. Yours, Elizabeth Vane. Trading involves risk. This is educational content, not financial advice.